Okay, palm up for me.
Okay.
So, the reason why we are doing this is because
I can pay you.
you're gonna pay me in sweat.
Okay.
No, I love boxing.
Yeah.
Boxing gets the motion of the shoulder, it gets light impact, it gets you moving around. Boxing also gives you something else to think about, right?
Yeah.
You can only do so many cable pulls, you can only do so many pulleys. So this is what I want to see.
Okay.
On your own, you're going to put your left foot forward, right foot back.
Okay.
Perfect. Your hands are going to be kind of chin level,
Okay.
so keep them up there. It's going to build a little bit of endurance.
Yeah.
And we're going to keep it really simple.
Okay.
If I hold my left hand up,
Yeah.
you're going to step and you're going to punch it gently with your left hand. One.
Yeah.
The one is always the jab. The jab is always the lead arm. So number one, go ahead. Perfect. If I say a 2 count, that's what we did left, right. So
Okay.
give me a 2 count. 1, 2. Perfect. If I say a 3 count, it's straight, straight, hook.
Mhm.
So a 3 count, straight, straight, hook. 4 count, you just put a straight right on the end. So 4 count. Start with the left, start with the left.
Oh, yes.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to incorporate the body a little bit.
Okay.
So a classic 6 count. It's the 4 that you just did. When you're ready, we'll put the right hand here and just hold it. Okay, so you just punch like that. My openings are low and high, right?
Okay.
So what you're gonna do, because I'm telling you it's a 6 count, after this punch, you're gonna duck down. I'm gonna bring my arm over your head, so duck under it. And then you're gonna give me another right punch. That is 6. So let's do it slow motion. So you're gonna do the 4. So we start 1, 2, 3, 4. You duck.
Oh, yeah.
Duck is 5. Punch is 6.
Okay.
Perfect.
And these are real combinations?
These are real
that you learned?
combinations. Yeah.
Okay, it's cool.
Okay, so just the left.
Okay.
Perfect. And then we move just the right. Perfect. 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now we're going to do the 6 count. That's the duck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Duck. 5, 6. Perfect. The duck is the 5. Okay, the 10 count. This is the last one we're going to do.
Okay.
So after you duck under, that's 5. 6 is a straight right. Yes. 7 is a left hook. Stay right here.
Okay.
Now my openings are here
Yeah.
and here.
Yeah.
So now number 8 is you duck the other way. You
Yeah.
give me another hook and another straight.
Okay.
That's 9, 10.
Okay.
Slow motion. So 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh.
6, 7, 8. Duck
Oh, yeah.
under.
Yeah, yeah,
8, 9, 10.
Okay.
Slow motion again.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes.
Okay.
Oh,